Oh, that is not a Christmas tree, it's an angel. So this is my first Vlogmas video I am filming, but it's probably not going to be the first Vlogmas video that actually goes up. So we'll see. Honestly, I really don't have specific days. I don't know what day this video is going to go up yet, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, so today we're going to be making Christmas cookies. We're going to have a friendly little Christmas cookie competition. And then we're just going to make a whole bunch of cookies and we're going to go actually give them out to the homeless after this. I'm kind of like, I don't really know how we're going to film that or if I should film that just because I feel like that's a touchy subject. But we're going to be making too many cookies and we're not gonna eat them, so I just figured that it would just be nice if we just went out and gave cookies to the homeless. And we also have like a big thing of water, so we'll probably give out some water as well, but if not, we'll just still be doing the cookies. So we just actually got back from Target, so I'll insert the clips of that right now.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me.
So which one should we get?
Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh, that is not a Christmas tree, it's an angel.
Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's
Now I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul of everything we got, even though you kind of like saw it in the video. But the first thing we got is sprinkles mix. I decided to get this one because the other one was like the same price and I was just like, whatever one is cheaper. And this one has, that one only had like 3 or 4 different sprinkles in it, and this one has 6, so it had more. The next thing that we got some cookie cutters. So we got an angel one, we got a stocking, we got Santa Claus, and we also got a Christmas tree. And then the next thing we got are these glitter gels. So we got green and red, and then we got some almond extract, we got some powdered sugar, the big thing of powdered sugar. Oh my god, I thought we forgot the baking powder. But we didn't. And then we got some non-stick parchment paper. And the next thing we got are these little treat bags. So these are the bags that we're gonna give out the cookies in. And then we got little aprons for the video. Oh, here we go. I always make it funny. Then this is kind of all the cooking stuff. So we got some corn syrup. I got salt because the one that we have is like the thing that shreds it and it's not like fine salt. And then we got baking powder, vanilla extract, and then unsalted butter. So we're gonna put on our apron and we're gonna get to making cookies. We're about to make some cookies. Here, chef. We put on our aprons. We're doing Sally Baking Addiction. I will link the recipe that we're using down below. It's just one that my mom said is similar to the cookies that we used to always make growing up, so that's kind of why I chose this one.
Me, gotta have my swag.
So it says that the icing needs 24 hours to cool, but I think can we just put it in like the freezer and then make it cool? Well, I didn't really think about that. Maybe we could just go give it to them tomorrow. This is a little bit more complicated than I expected. We need to do our butter first. We gotta have our butter room temperature softened. We have to have 3/4 a cup of unsalted butter. So how much is that? 4 tablespoons equals 1/4. So we need 3/4. So we need to do full thing plus a half. We gotta soften it. Y'all wish us luck, because neither one of us know how to cook.
No, for real.
Soften to room temperature. So don't melt it. Why are you doing it like that? You're supposed to do half. Cut it. Okay, whatever.
For everybody watching this video, y'all go tap in on my YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? Tutor with the Hemi. Got another video coming, a day in the life with Tutor Gang. I got another video that I was in the making of today. I went and dropped off my car to get the car fixed. Whoop. So y'all go tap in, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, run it up for me. How long does this microwave for?
I don't know, 15 seconds, a couple seconds till it's yeah. So we have our butter, kind of melted, but we're gonna pour that in there.
Butter looks so good. Just look, it tastes good.
Beat the butter until creamy. So now we have to add in 3/4 cup of sugar. 1, 2, 3. I didn't blend that on low. The next thing that we have to do is add our egg, vanilla, and almond extract.
Definitely more fluffy than what it is.
Light and fluffy. So that's kind of what it looks like. Now we need to add our egg. Oh shit. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then we need 1/2 teaspoon of almond. 1.
Every time I see an egg yolk, I'm gonna think about it and make me drink an egg and orange juice.
Go to my Patreon if y'all want to see that. I pranked him the other day. I put an egg and orange juice and I made him drink it. Well, I told him we were having like a chugging contest for my Patreon, and he drank it and he ended up like almost throwing up basically. Just 1/2 of the almond one.
It's like water.
You're gonna mix it up on low. Oh no, beat it on high until fully combined for about 2 minutes. So now it says to whisk the flour, baking powder, and salt together in a medium bowl. So I'm gonna do in this bowl. Can I have the flour, salt, and baking powder, please? So we need 2 1/4 cups of flour. My big ass flour thing. So we need 2. How do you open this?
Ooh, baby, you can break it into there.
I don't know how to do that. Okay, we're just gonna do the baking powder while he figures out how to open it. Half a teaspoon of the baking powder. Dang, that's all? That's crazy. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
What? That's good.
Yeah. We're trying to get like exact measurements. Okay, and then it says to whisk this. Okay, it says to turn the mixture down to low and add half of this mixture and then almost combine and then add the other half.
Put it in there first.
I think you're supposed to do it while it mixes.
Let's dump it.
But you're supposed to do it while it's mixing. It's supposed to, I promise you it's a process. Baking is meticulous. Okay, so basically what we have to do is we have to take this dough and we have to divide it into 2 equal parts. Roll each portion out onto a piece of parchment paper and then stack the pieces onto a baking and refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Does this even look right? I don't know, because it's supposed to be combined, like it's supposed to mix together.
It's supposed to be one? That's not how you do that, and you just turn it on high and move it out the way. Oh, thing came out. You pressed this. Wait, what did you press?
Yeah, because I didn't press anything, it just came out. Use this thing, we have to roll it out.
It smells really good.
I'll pour about half of it onto here. Now put the other one on top. And we gotta put this in the fridge and we have to chill this for 1 to 2 hours and then we'll be back whenever we start to like actually cut out the cookies and start to bake them. And we're back. So guys, we're back now. Christian's washing his hands. So we have our chilled batter. It's kind of like really cold, so hopefully this works. But basically, I'm gonna try to like knead it and then we'll be able to like hopefully re-roll it so we can cut out the cookies. We have to figure out somehow how to get it separated because it's like stuck together. When I was growing up, we literally always used to use, like we would put the sugar literally all over the table and we would just like roll it out with the sugar so like it wouldn't stick. But this recipe doesn't say we're supposed to do that, so I don't know.
Alright, babe.
Actually, will you move the camera back down a little bit? I kind of moved it up too fast. Oh.
Let me try.
No, you're not, you gotta roll it. That's why I was using, and then watch, whenever we try to cut it out, it's gonna literally like not work. It's gonna break when we try to pull it up. Here we go, so we got it rolled out now. So now we're gonna start to cut our cookies. so we just let the cookies cool. So now we're going to make the icing. 1.5 cups of confectioner's sugar. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla. 1 teaspoon of the corn syrup and 2.5 tablespoons of room temperature water. That was the water.
Taste it.
And then, oh, we need a pinch of salt. Then we gotta blend this together, my love. Okay, so this is kind of what it came out to look like. So these are like the extra ones that we made. I made a heart. And then we made, this one's kind of thin, that's why it looks a little bit burnt. Yeah, we have all the other ones. And we're just gonna decorate. You're just gonna outline everyone else?
I mean, that's what we gotta do. I don't have another style.
So we're just gonna literally just decorate them like this.
That one's ugly.
Okay, so here are the ones that I decorated. I just got finished decorating mine. These two are definitely my favorite ones. This is what Christian's looking like. He just did the white icing first now, and he's about to decorate with these. I'm just using olive thread first. Oh, my Sandy's getting sloppy. Tell them what you're doing, babe. Tell them what you're doing. No rhyme or way. It's cute though. Well, anyways, guys, so that is the end of our little making cookies with us. I think we're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna like make chocolate chip cookies, and then we'll also do these cookies, and we're gonna put them in these little bags. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow night probably, because we have to let the cookies cool down. So once they're done cooling and stuff, we're gonna do that, but I'm probably just gonna do that off camera just because out of like respect for the people. But yeah, so today's video, we are actually having a giveaway. So I'm doing 5 giveaways. By the time that you are seeing this video, I will already have done 1 giveaway. So this is my 2nd giveaway. I'm gonna have 5 $10 gift card giveaways. So 2 of them will be just strictly YouTube based. The other 3 of them you'll have to follow me on Instagram, and there'll be a little bit of Instagram requirements to get into it. But I know not all of y'all have an Instagram, so I wanted to do at least some that just people who watch on my YouTube can enter. In order to enter the giveaway, you have to comment sprinkles or no sprinkles. Personally, I hate sprinkles. I don't like sprinkles on my cookies. So comment down below whether you like sprinkles or you don't like sprinkles, and make sure that whenever you comment down below, you enter either an email or a way for me to contact you, preferably an email. I just think it'll be a little bit easier for me to reach out that way, considering this is an Instagram base, which is like kind of the reason I like doing Instagram based ones, because it's just easier for me to reach out through DM. I hope you guys have been enjoying 12 Days of Christmas so far. If you have, give this video a like, and make sure to go catch up on all my other 12 Days of Christmas videos. I started 12 Days of Christmas on the 14th, and I'll be ending it on the 25th with my What I Got for Christmas video. So if you would like to see all the other 12 Days of Christmas videos that I'll be posting this month, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, so that way you'll be notified whenever I do post those videos. Also, I would highly recommend that you follow me on Instagram because I always post whenever I post a video, and I'm just a lot more active on there. So if you always want to be notified personally by me whenever I post a video, I always do post like that on Instagram. Also, I have all my other social medias linked down below, so make sure you go follow them. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.